Got it. Let me get them out. Might have to. You want him to go? All right. You can open court though for us.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating or drinking, no talking, no gum chewing, no sleeping or laying down, no smoking, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Youssef? All right. Mr. Youssef, please unmute yourself. Press *6 on your phone. *6. *6. Okay. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. All right. He's on it. He came in now. Okay. All right. I'm gonna call this matter real quick and then I'll call you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Najab Yusuf. This is U ticket 620685121. One count of operating without a City of Detroit business license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, P63181 for Mr. Youssef. Sir, please state your name.
Najib Yusuf, Najib, last name Yousif Yusuf.
Judge, Mr. Youssef would like a bench trial. There is an offer. I explained the offer, discussed it with him. He would like to move forward with a bench trial.
Mr. Yusuf, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
What is it?
Raise your right hand.
Okay, here you go.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Mr. Yusuf, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, ma'am? I mean, sir, I apologize.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of August the 22nd, 2022. It is going to be via Zoom. It's going to be at 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set, sir. I'll see you back on August 22nd.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good job. Thank you.
You too. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Lorna Wells. You can unmute yourself, ma'am. This is ticket number P1231131. One count disregard officer signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson for Ms. Wells. Ma'am, please state your name.
Lorna Wells.
And Judge, Ms. Wells would like a trial by jury. There is an offer. I've gone over the offer with her. She's rejecting the offer. She would like to go forward with trial. I've also explained to her the current moratorium on jury trials at 36th District Court and the waiting and dates are to be determined.
Okay. All right, Ms. Wells, is that right? You want to have a jury trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, put your hand down. You had an opportunity to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights, is that correct?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a jury trial in this matter. That's a
Yes.
matter with 6 individuals from the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Okay, now, I think I have one date that they gave me. Let me open it up. That I can have a jury trial. June 14th. I believe this is the day that I can have a jury trial.
Okay.
If not, when you come in that day, I will inform you that we can no longer have a jury trial. Well, we're gonna do a pre-trial the week before to make sure that I can have a jury trial that day.
What time?
It's gonna be at 1:30 p.m. on the date of the actual trial.
Okay.
Pick a jury at that point in time.
Mm-hmm.
And the week before, June 7th,
Okay.
we're gonna have a Zoom final pre-trial, just to make sure you still wanna move forward.
Okay.
That's gonna be via Zoom though. The jury
Okay.
trial is in person at the courthouse.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to make that at 9 a.m. for the
Okay.
final trial. Okay, do you plan on hiring an attorney for this matter?
No.
Okay. All right, well then I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. I'll see you back June the 7th, 2022 for a final pre-trial at 9 a.m. Your jury trial is scheduled for June 14th, 2022 at 1:30 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Okay.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, is the officer present for Kayla Womack, who's scheduled for a formal hearing?
We get ready to call Mr.
Yeah, Williams, he's out. Jermaine Williams, I'm gonna call your matter, okay? Make sure you speak for me loud. My button, we'll have a hard time. Okay. Mr. Williams, can you unmute yourself, please? Activate your camera. All right. Yeah, I got it. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Williams. This is ticket number P 114257.
Barely hear you.
All right, I'm gonna start again, Mr. Williams, so please don't interrupt me, okay?
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jermaine Williams. This is ticket number P 114257. This is one count, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. That's count 2 of that ticket. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel in the courtroom.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Antonio D. Tuttle, on behalf of my client, that is Mr. Jermaine Williams, who is physically not present at this time. However, Mr. Williams is present via Zoom. Mr. Williams, could you wave your hand and state your name for the record, please?
Okay, do you have permission to represent your client, Mr. Tuttle?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. It is 9:57 a.m. and no officer has appeared. Do you have a motion?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, at this time, the court is going to grant that motion. seeing that the officer did not appear for this particular matter. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're
And you
welcome.
and the staff have a great day.
You too.
It's always nice seeing you.
Same here, always. It's okay, Mr. Williams. We handled your matter. Call your attorney, okay?
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry, Court, I didn't hear if Kayla Womack, if the officer was here for that hearing.
No.
Okay, well, then I guess her matter's ready then, if the court's ready to call it.
Oh, yeah, it's just a regular hearing, though. It's not the formal hearing yet.
My apologies, then I'll
It's
wait for an
okay.
offer. I'll go talk to Nathan and see the officer is on here.
Yes, please, Mr. Wade. I'll do, Antoinette Williams while you're gone. Officer Baxter. I know you're here, Officer Mohammed. I'm trying to get an offer for you. Right. Well, I didn't cross it out though. I think this one. This one was. Oh, it was the same thing. It was, you know. That's why I was like. If this one's up there, no, I understand. No.
Madam Clerk, Nathan Wade is ready. He would like to plead guilty per the offer.
Okay, thank you. It's supposed to be. And then was he supposed to do that other stuff? I'll do it in the sentence. Okay. Yeah.
Good morning, Officer Backtrusser.
Good morning. Good morning. I know I was trying to get your attention so I could get you out of here.
Okay, sounds good. I'm
They
here.
didn't show up. So I'll do you while I'm doing the other person. You're welcome. So I got Mr. Wade, so I can get you out of here and then I'll see you.
Okay.
Officer Batchers.
Yep.
All right. Ms. Sandy, you ready for this one? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Antoinette Williams. This is ticket number SP 10350243. This is set for today for a bench trial, 1-count drive while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Miss Antoinette Williams. I have not spoken with her.
Okay, she's not present.
Okay.
Officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, ma'am. Officer Backtrusser, Badge 8, Detroit Police Department.
All right, this is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. It is now 10:05 a.m. and she has not logged in, so the court is going to issue a show cause on her behalf and have her come back to the court. Thank you, officer. You be safe out there. You're all set for today.
Awesome. Thank you. Have a great day, Your Honor.
You too. All right, Officer Muhammad, I'm trying to get Mr. Wade out right now so we can take the plea and get you all set as well.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, here we go. Mr. Wade, you can unmute
Yes.
yourself. All right.
Okay. Yes, give me that one. Yes, how you doing?
I'm good. I know this is important. I know you're where you are, but you gotta take your head off and sit still.
Yep,
for a
I got
moment.
you. Yeah, sorry about that. I just in the process. Sorry about that. I didn't know y'all was trying to tap me in to join that early, but I'm about to sit down real quick. Give me 1 second, please, and thank you. Okay, I'm ready now.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Nathan Wade. This is ticket number P 11757006, 1-count disorderly conduct. Also calling ticket number P 11-73298, count 1 tinted windows, count 2 disregard traffic control device, and ticket number P 11-73338, count 1 no insurance misdemeanor, count 2 improper plates. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning. If it may please the court, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Nathan Wade. Sir, please state your name.
Nathan Wade.
All right, and officer, can you please state your name for the record?
Corporal Rocky Muhammad, badge number 3143, Detroit Police.
All right. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in these matters. How are we proceeding forward at this time, Attorney Robinson?
Mr. Wade would like to plead guilty per the recommendation, delay sentence.
Is that right, Mr. Wade?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, if so, and you know, there's one count of blockading that you would have to plead to as well, but that's a plea of responsible that I'll just read from the ticket and assess a fine.
Okay.
Thank you. I explained that to him, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Could you raise your right hand for me, Mr. Wade?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wade, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 13th of 2021. Were you in the area of Jeffrey Service Drive in Livernois in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
And in that area, did you come into contact with the police officer?
Yes.
And did you act in a disorderly way or manner in that area?
Yes.
And then reading from the ticket, P1173338. Nope, wrong ticket, P1173298. That on that same date, time, and location with the vehicle of a Chevy in Jeffrey Service Drive in Livernois in the city of Detroit, Mr. Wade did block traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause and the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to one count disorderly conduct on ticket P1175706. Dismiss ticket in its entirety P1173338. And on ticket P1173298, count 1 is amended. No, count 2 is amended to disregard traffic control device. Count 1 is to be dismissed. Okay. On the civil infraction of blockading, sir, that's a $175 fine. It's usually due 14 days after you take the plea. Is that gonna be enough time for you to pay that?
Could I have 30 days, please, Your Honor?
You can. I'll give you
Okay.
until 4/29/22 to have that paid, okay?
Okay, it will be paid.
All right. On the disorderly conduct, that's under what's called a delayed sentencing. So they have a delayed sentencing for 12 months. What that means is no new tickets like this, and this matter gets dismissed, okay?
Okay.
Will the
All right,
court
this is-
consider an abbreviated delayed sentence period, perhaps 6 months?
This is the instructions of the plea agreement, so I can ask them when they come in here if he wants to hold on for a minute.
Would you like to hold
I
on,
mean,
sir? Or are
yes,
you
I would definitely hold on for that. Yes.
Okay, all right, so as far as that goes, sentencing on a disorderly, I'm gonna do community service for that ticket, though, definitely.
You sure? Oh.
No, I'm positive. When somebody acts disorderly, I don't think a payment is
Okay.
sufficient.
Listen.
I'm not gonna make you do 20,000 hours of it, but I'm gonna make you do some community service, Mr. Wade.
I work probably about 60 hours a week, so that is
So
it's
I'm
kind
gonna
of
give you
hard.
plenty of time to be able to take care of it. I'm not gonna give you like 100 hours. I'm not gonna do anything like that.
Okay.
But you can do, I mean, I usually give about 40 hours, okay? So you can
Okay.
spread that out over some time, okay? So if we get it down to 6 months, then you have 6 months to do 40 hours of community service.
Okay, that's
Okay?
fine.
But let me see if I can get it down to 6 months for you, okay?
Okay,
So
Okay,
hold tight,
thank you.
Mr. Wade, that concludes this hearing for right now. And you can take your camera off, so that way
Okay.
you can continue doing what you're doing, and we'll get you back out in a minute to finish this hearing, okay?
all right. Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, no problem. Okay, officer, thank you so much for coming on today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, can you tell me, if possible, can you run and see if run the SOS for Eric Williams?
Yes. I'm gonna
Thank
put you
you.
back in the room, okay, Mr. Wade? You're welcome.
Okay,
Room 4, let me see.
okay.
It's room 4.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk. I have, yes, I have a question about Miss Sheena Wright, because she's not on my docket. Could you tell me what her tickets are, please, what the counts are?
Can you hear me?
I'm sorry about that. I wasn't supposed to add her on the docket for this morning. Okay. One of her counts is no insurance misdemeanor. The other counts, they're all civil infractions: tinted window, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate, and a violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner.
Okay, she has her insurance, so I don't know if
Okay.
John wants to look at that again.
Oh, did you already verify it, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, Mr. Gillis.
Okay, well, that's fine.
Okay, what do you, so the rest of, you were just missing the whole civil infraction ticket. Did you want to do anything on there?
Oh. Let me see what.
I'm gonna see if I can get you a different offer, Ms. Attorney Robinson.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
And just for an update, Ms. Watkins will be pleading guilty. Ms. Womack is thinking about it. Ms. Yates is pleading guilty.
Okay, and I can bring Mr. Wade out. We are gonna be able to do that 6 months from now.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Attorney Robinson? On count 3 of this ticket for her, which is the violation of the basic speed law, he'll do blockading on that and dismiss the other 2 counts on that ticket.
Okay, so she had tinted windows, speeding.
And a dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate.
Okay. And they'll go down to blockading.
Mhm.
All right, thank you.
Ms. Robinson,
Yes,
Ms. Shakira York in room 9 is asking for help.
Mr.
Ms. Shakira York in room 9.
Okay, I haven't got an offer for her yet, so that's why I haven't gone back to her.
You want to go see what she wants?
I sure can. Unless I missed the email, it's possible.
No, it's just a note that flashes up on the screen, and it says that she's asking for help.
Okay, I'll go in and help her. And I do have the email, Madam Clerk. My AOL is getting rusty, I guess.
It's okay. You're doing excellent. Thank you, Attorney Robinson.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, just on Miss York,
I have Mr.
who works midnight shifts, she has 12 misdemeanors. The offer's for 6. I'm gonna assume those other ones are state matters. I was wondering if we could set up those all for trial so that the state can come up with something for her.
Okay, Judge has her file. She'll let you know.
All right, thank you.
That's what she wants to do.
Well, there's no offer, the offer only addresses half of her matters.
On the state tickets, let me look at them.
All right, Judge.
3. Yes, she does. We have a improper plate. Untitled, unregistered vehicle on. Let's see how far back that is. On ticket P 767039, count 3.
Yes, Judge.
If she pleads to that one, I'll dismiss the rest of the state tickets.
All right, I'm going back in.
Okay.
All right, Miss York would like to plead guilty. She works midnights and she's pretty exhausted. I don't know if the court could take her next.
You said that was Miss York. York.
Yes, in room 9.
Yes, and then as it relates to any attorney's fees.
Miss York.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna call your madam. Are you ready, Miss Sandy? All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Shakira York. This is ticket number 314477. Count 1, no license. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number P 1032125. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number P 767039. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, improper place. Count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P 508313. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket number 144333146. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Ticket number P 940818. 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper place. Appearances for the record. This is the date and time set for an arraignment on a bench warrant.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson for Miss Shakira York. I would ask that the warrant be recalled.
At this time, the court is going to recall any warrants, set them aside, and enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ms. York, can you state your name for the record, please?
Shakira York.
How are we proceeding today?
Ms. York would like to plead guilty per the recommendation on city and state matters.
Is that right, Ms. York?
Yes.
All right. If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. York, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, Ms. York, I want to take your attention back to the date of October the 9th of 2019. Were you in the area of Plymouth and Greenfield in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was it unregistered or untitled at the time?
I believed it was registered, but they recalled it or something of the sort, so no.
No, it was not registered at the time?
Correct.
Okay, and did you drive, were you unlicensed at the time when you were driving the vehicle?
Yes.
Also, taking your attention back to the date of, I know this is a while back, but September the 15th of 2016, were you in the area of West Davidson and 14th Streets in the city of Detroit driving an Oldsmobile?
An Oldsmobile.
Yes.
Not to my knowledge, no. I've never owned an Oldsmobile.
Try this. All right. On the date of December the 26th of 2015, were you in the area of Greenfield and West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
You said what year?
2015, it would have been a Dodge vehicle, 2002 Dodge vehicle.
Yes.
All right, and when you drove that vehicle in that area, was it unregistered or untitled at that time?
Sure. Yes.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
There's stipulation for probable cause of the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea on one count, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle on ticket P50H313, dismiss count 2 on that ticket. On ticket number P1032125, counts 1 and 2 are to be amended to improper place. The remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 counts are to be dismissed at this time. Ms. York, this is what happens when you just let the tickets sit. They don't go away. They come back. They sit there. You understand, Ms. York?
Yeah, I definitely understand. I've been raising myself since 16, so I've been learning as I go.
I understand. Did you have to post a bond for these tickets?
No, I haven't, not at this time.
You didn't, when you came down to get them on the docket, you didn't have to give any money?
I didn't come down. I don't stay in the state anymore.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. Typically, I charge $200 per ticket. Now you have some civil infraction tickets that are out there as well. We went ahead and took away those late fees on them, so you just have to pay the tickets as is.
Okay. I know I've paid some, so I'm not sure what's left, but
All right. Oh, I can see that. These are the last ones left. All right. You're like $954 worth of civil infraction fees. You know that?
I do now.
Okay. You gotta take care of that, ma'am, okay?
I paid a good amount at one point, and then like trying to get, I guess it's like trying to get in contact with you guys, like calling never really works. And the way my work schedules have always been throughout the years, like I'm a single mom of 4 now. At the time I was a single mom of 3. So it's very hard to just come in and when you're not getting an answer, you don't know what's going on. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. But yeah, no, I can get all of those rectified within the next month or so. Probably a month and a half, I could pay all of the $954, and I just need a total for, whatever else is left, and then I can factor all that in.
All right. Ms. York, I'm aware of your cost and fines on the remaining tickets, okay? So just get that $954 paid, okay?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
All right. Mr. Nathan Wade. Unmute yourself.
Yes, I'm here. I'm back. Yes.
I know. And I saw you take your hat off and stuff. I appreciate that.
I took it off already. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Nathan and Antonio Wade. This
Yes.
matter was already called on the record today. And we just took a brief adjournment from it so that we could find out some information. Once again,
Right.
counsel, can you state your name for the record? May not be able to. Mr. Wade, can you state your name for the record for me?
Oh,
please?
yes. Nathan Wade. How you doing? Yes.
It's okay. I asked for somebody else's information first, but that's okay.
Okay.
I can just talk. You've already taken the plea and you've already talked. We just passed over this matter for a moment so I could find out if we can help you out a little bit. And we
Right.
can. We can make it 6 months delayed sentence, okay? That cuts it in half.
Okay.
Okay? You still have to do the
Okay.
40 hours of community service for me, okay?
All right. And, how would I be like notified to do that, or like how would that work? Because I never ever done it before.
I know. We're gonna give you a phone number, okay?
Okay.
Can you take down the phone number, or if not, you can call the court and be able to take down, we can give you the phone number later.
No, I can take it down right now. Give me one moment,
Okay.
please.
Okay. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
313
Uh,
965
965
8130.
8130.
Tell Ms. Green that you need to do 40 hours of community service by September the 30th, 2022, because that's your review date. And as long as you
Okay.
complete that, then you will get this case dismissed, okay?
So all I have to pay is the 175.
And the 40
Yeah,
hours of community service.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mr. Wade, I'll see you back. Remember, you have a review on 9/30/2022. You've done everything. I'll dismiss this disorderly conduct case, okay?
Okay. Real quick question. Would I be notified by the
Yes.
mail? Whatever? Okay. Thank you. All right.
Get notification for it? Yes, you do for this, for the hearing, okay?
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Mr. Wade. Good luck to you, and I'll see you back then, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You too.
Yeah.
Judge, Ms. Robinson sent a chat and it has to everyone BRB5. I don't know what that means.
Be right back in 5 minutes.
Oh,
No problem. I know. She good. It's cool, I know.
oh my goodness. It took me the longest to figure out what SMH meant. I had to ask my son, like, what is SMH?
Shaking my head. Mhm. I understand though, it's a lot of acronyms. Sometimes when I sit down, it's some newer ones that I had to kind of think about, kind of figure out the context of it like that. What are y'all trying to say to me right now?
All right. BRB is a real good shorthand.
She must have something. Okay.
Judge Miss York is back.
Ms. York?
Yes, I'm sorry. I was just trying to clarify, like, how do I receive the information or how do I make payments?
So you can go to 36districtcourt.org and type in your name. You may have to put in your address when you lived in Michigan, and then you could be able to look up your cases, and then it should be able to pull up all of your information, okay?
Okay, and just pay them one by one or,
Yep.
okay, thank you. And then
You're welcome.
the information as far as everything else being dismissed, is that being emailed to me or is that being mailed to me?
No, you can print it out online.
Okay, how do I do that?
On our website as well, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you, Ms. York.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Excuse me, Madam Clerk, for Eric or Judge, Eric Williams, my sheet only has one count. I think some old matters were thrown in for dismissal. Could you tell me what they are so I could tell him?
Okay. He has. Let's see. One state ticket, driving while license suspended, and then his other tickets are, one is a no operator's license on person, the other is a no operator's license on person. So he drives without his license.
Okay, so then he would just plead to improper plates. Okay, all right, I'll go talk to him. And just, does the court want to do the pleas first, or do you want me to go talk to everybody and get everyone ready?
Get everyone ready and then we can do them all.
Okay. I apologize. Madam Clerk, could you, or if anyone knows, could anyone tell me again what the 3 civil infractions are for Sheena Wright?
Hold on 1 second.
All right, thank you. She's my last person, and then we'll be ready.
What was the name?
Sheena Wright.
Count 1, tinted windows. Count 2, dirty plates. And count 3, violation of basic speed law.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Ready on all matters, everyone.
Great. All right, everyone, please stay on mute until I call your matter. Sheena Wright. Sheena Wright.
Your Honor. Hello, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I was having technical difficulties.
It's okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sheena Wright. This is ticket number P 12462243. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number P 12462239. 1 count tinted windows. 1 count dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. 1 count violation of basic speed law and or drive in an unsafe manner. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson for Miss Sheena Wright. Ms. Wright, please state your name.
Sheena Wright.
Judge, Ms. Wright would like to have a hearing. As to the insurance, she'd like to go on for the hearing. I've explained the offer to her. She does have her insurance certificate.
Okay. Ms. Wright, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wright, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And she's informing me that you want to have a hearing in this particular matter. Let me keep the insurance one down. Let me keep the insurance one.
No, you can just
All right, all right, you want to have a formal hearing before me on these? Is that right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna set the formal hearing for 8/22/22. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. I don't have to set phone. Okay, all right. We'll see you back then. It's via Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm just confirming I'm good to log off.
You are good to log off, yes.
Okay, great. Have a
No
wonderful
bond is
day.
needed because it's a civil infraction.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Christina Yates?
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Christina Yates. This is ticket number P996836. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number 411537. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Count two drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson for Miss Christina Yates. Miss Yates, please state your name.
Hi, I'm Christina Yates.
And Judge, Miss Yates would like to plead guilty. There's an offer.
Is that right, Miss Yates?
Yes,
If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Yates, do you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
yes,
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
no,
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
yes,
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 28th of 2019. Were you in the area of 7 Mile and Woburn, Goulburn Street in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a Pontiac vehicle in that area?
yes,
And did you, while you were driving, was your license not valid at the time?
no, it wasn't valid.
Satisfied, attorney?
Satisfied, Judge.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket P996836 and dismiss ticket 411537 in its entirety. Ma'am, you have a ton of civil infraction tickets. A lot.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. The
Trying
court
to
did
get
remove the late fees today on them, but you have to pay that. You owe $1,785 worth of civil infraction.
Oof. Yeah, I didn't know how much I owe altogether. I know now.
That's how much you owe. And I hate to keep stacking stuff on it, because all it's just gonna do is sit there if you keep not paying for it, but they never go
Yeah.
away. They sit there until you pay them, and then they eventually garnish your wages.
Yeah, I'm trying to take care of it today, trying to get my license, get a better job. Trying to take care of it now.
Okay. Right. Some of those, tickets include reinstatement fees. They all have reinstatement fees. Okay. All right, I'm gonna waive your costs and fines on this ticket because you gotta pay the rest of the stuff, because they include civil infraction, they include SOS fees, which are for the Secretary of State's office. So if you want your license back, you're gonna have to pay some of those civil infraction tickets. They include that on there, so you're not gonna be able to get it back without paying a good chunk of those. So good
Okay.
luck to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Miss LaShawna Wilkins?
Yes, LaShawna Watkins.
Watkins, yeah, I just see a shadow of you. Is there any place else that you can sit or no?
Excuse me?
I said, I just see like a shadow, like I just see the outlay of you. I don't see you because of the windows in the back. There you go.
Can you see me
There-
now?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh. All right.
Okay. That's
There we
better.
go.
Okay, got
Yes,
you.
much. You see it? You saw what I was looking at?
Yes, I seen it. I
Yeah.
had to lift my shade, my blinds up. I apologize for that.
That's okay. I just let you know all I can see was you. So I can see you now, okay? All right. You said it was LaShawna Watkins? Am I saying it right? Now calling the matter of the people versus LaShawna Watkins. This is ticket number P858053. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number 482167. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, no insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Mayor Robinson, appearing on behalf of Ms. Watkins. Ma'am, please state your name.
My name is LaShawna Watkins.
And Judge, Ms. Watkins would plead guilty today. I'd ask the court to recall any warrants if there are any.
All right, at this time, if there are any warrants out there on her behalf, the court is going to recall them, enter a plea of not guilty on her behalf. But it's my understanding you want to take advantage of this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand.
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, ma'am?
yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did
Okay.
you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, they didn't.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Uh-oh. So what?
I had interruption phone coming in. Can you repeat that, please?
I sure can. Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes,
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you had a right to have a trial, bench or jury? You're gonna give that up. Do you understand that, ma'am?
yes, I do.
Okay, understanding all of this, you wanna move forward today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 23rd of 2020. Were you in the area of Santa Clara and Fielding Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes,
And did that vehicle not have any car insurance on it at the time?
no,
All right, satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause?
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge on count 2 of that ticket as improper plate. Count 1 of ticket 482167 is dismissed, as well as ticket P858053 is dismissed as well. Ms. Watkins, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Can you give me 60 days? 60
I
days to
can.
be
Is that
fine.
gonna be enough time? You say what?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. You say $200. Where do I pay that at?
You can pay it. You can either go online and pay it on 36districtcourt.org. You can physically come down to the court to pay it in
I come
person.
down. Okay, I'll come down there and pay it.
Okay, you have until May the 2nd of
Okay.
2022 to pay it, okay?
Yes. Am I allowed to go to the Secretary of State so I can apply for my license?
Whenever you pay this, so you have to pay the ticket because it must be a reinstatement fee with it. That's not right.
Oh, okay. Oh, so before I go to the Secretary of State, I have to pay the $200 first.
Correct.
Oh, well, shit, hell, I'm gonna make this payment before 60 days. I need my license. I can, 30 days to be fine. Less than 30 days. I can't even drive.
May the 2nd, that's what I was giving you.
Mm-mm.
All right. I had to do 5 seconds, May the 2nd, just because I know you're trying to get your license. And so.
Yes, I'm
the
trying
sooner
to get
you
my
pay it-
license.
Yep, the sooner you pay it, the sooner you'll be able to get that taken care of, okay?
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay, ma'am?
Yes, you too.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, who's this calling me?
Ms. Kyla Womack?
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Kyla Womack. This is ticket number P1194910, one count careless driving. Also calling ticket number P119495, one count driver's license never acquired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Miss Kayla Womack. Ma'am, please state your name.
Kayla Womack.
Judge, and I apologize for clarification. I just want to make sure, is that limited access 60 and a 55? Isn't that 0 points?
I believe it is. That's 0 points. Access 60 and a 55.
Correct.
Yes, it is.
All right, 0 points. All right, yes. Ms. Womack would like to take the offer, plead responsible. We'll stipulate to the face of the ticket.
All right. Is that right, Ms. Womack?
Yes.
All right. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. Did you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to take the plea of responsible. That means I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. On the date of May the 1st, your picture keeps going in and out. You know why, ma'am?
Huh?
Your picture keeps going in and out. You know why, ma'am?
No, I'm trying to get it to stay on. Hold on.
Okay, it's okay. On the date of May the 1st, 2021, in the area of Joy Road and Broad Streets in the city of Detroit, Ms. Womack was driving a Nissan vehicle and did do 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone, limited access zone. Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
All right, is there stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
But this time the court is going to enter a plea to one count of an amended responsible plea of limited access 60 and a 55 mile per hour zone and dismiss ticket P119495 in its entirety. Ma'am, the fine for that is $125. It's due 14 days from now. Is that going to be enough time for you?
No.
Okay, how much time do you need, Ms. Womack?
Maybe like 28 days. Is that okay?
If I give you 30 days, does that work for you?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna make it due no later than May 1st, 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Eric Williams, if you can unmute yourself and show your face on the camera.
Okay. Hello, how you doing?
I'm good, thank you for asking. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Eric Williams. This is ticket number 454400, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number 442994, one count, no operator's license on person. Also ticket number 263830, one count, no operator's license on person. And ticket number P1016145, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Eric Williams. Sir, please state your name.
Eric Williams.
All right.
And Judge, Mr. Williams will be pleading guilty per the offer.
Is that right, Mr. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to take advantage of this plea today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 4th of 2021. Were you in the area of Cardone and Nevada streets in the city of Detroit driving a Buick vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have an operator's license on you?
Not at the time, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Attorney Robinson?
Satisfied, Judge.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Judge.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket 454400 and dismiss tickets 442994, 263830, and ticket P1016145. Mr. Williams, you keep driving without your license. You making it smile. You gotta get your license, sir.
I'm trying. That's why I'm doing this today, trying to get it together.
As much. First of all, thank you for wearing a collared shirt today. I do appreciate that. Nice and buttoned up. I appreciate that. Mr.
Thank you,
Williams,
ma'am.
you owe civil infraction tickets as well that are all in default. I took the late fees from those, okay? You still gotta pay all those. When do you think you're gonna be able to pay them? You owe like $813.
Is it possible I could just make payments on it and try and nip it down?
There's civil infraction fees, so I'm telling you this because sometimes those will have attached to them. They'll have something called Secretary of State fees that will prohibit you from getting your license, right? So you gotta pay them so that you can be able to pay for your license. To get it back, okay? Okay, Mr. Williams? So the quicker you're able to pay them, and I know that's a lot of money, but the quicker you're able to pay them, the quicker you can try and apply to get your license back so you can stop getting all these tickets. Because guess who you come see every time you get a ticket now?
You?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna try and make sure it's the last time.
Make sure it's the last time, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, very respectful. So I'm gonna waive your costs and fines today so you can pay those other tickets off so you can try and get your license back, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, Mr. Williams.
You too. I appreciate you.
You're very welcome. I appreciate that. Have a good day. Yes.
Okay. I did have a little question. I could just try. Like I say, is it a specific amount? It ain't no like a such thing as too low or nothing like that. If I come in and just like put 100 on there, the remaining couple weeks.
Yep. So I think the minimum they let you pay is, if I'm not mistaken, is $10. You have to make a payment of at least $10.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. I'm gonna put more than that, but I just wanted to make sure. Thank you.
Yeah. Just take it at a time. So every time you have a little bit of money, come down here and make some payments so that you can get it taken care of as quickly as possible. I didn't add anything additional to you. So that way you can take care of it because you seem like you're really trying to handle it, Mr. Williams. So I'm gonna help you out today.
I am, and I appreciate it. You want great helping me, so I appreciate it.
No problem. All right. Good luck to you, okay? Get it all paid off as soon as possible and make payments like you can, okay?
I will. Thank you. You have a blessed one.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.